Fine, I'll put the egg in.
Yep.
This one. Tip it in here.
Okay.
You're going to use that spoon. All right. Give it a go. That's it. Put it all in there. You know, Jack likes his peanut butter. This has got to be mixed up first. That's right. Don't be silly. And the pumpkin's got to go in.
Dad, move.
Put that one in, Lockie.
Oh, God.
Whoever puts it in has to taste it.
A bull.
God, Mom. Look at
Bull. Bull poo.
Rightio, start mixing that up. We've got to mix that up first. That's right.
I've done it. Oh my God.
It's only pumpkin.
Not kidding.
Give it a stir like that. Yeah.
What's that?
Not running.
Put the flour in so Lockie can mix it.
Oh my gosh, yeah.
It's not.
God.
It's nice. Lockie's going to love... I mean, Lockie. Ryan... What's the dog's name?
Jack.
Jack is going to love it. But the best thing is that you can eat one too when they're cooked.
No, what? No!
Yeah, you can have a biscuit with Jack.
No. Run. Thank you.
Yeah, that's good, Ryan. Put some in the other one. That's it. If you turn it over, you'll see it looks like a paw. That's it. Just get it on the side. That's fine. Good job.
Now look, son.
Like you get the bones out.
Don't get that.
Let them cool down. How good do they look? You going to have a taste?
Nope.
This is better.
This is quite
Good boy.
Right.